I'm John Daniell, your Oconee County Board of Commissioners Chairman. Today is Friday, April the 3rd, and I'm here to give you an update on the response to COVID-19 in Oconee County. As you know, the state of Georgia, through state and private labs, have tested over 22,000 Georgians for coronavirus 19. 5,444 Georgians are affected right now, and 19 of those live in Oconee County. Yesterday, at 3:12, Governor Kemp signed an executive order authorizing a shelter in place for the entire state of Georgia. So I'm going to go through just what that means for Oconee County. For individuals, you should not be within 6 feet of any person that you do not currently live with in the same household. For businesses, the following businesses shall cease operations in Oconee County: bars and nightclubs, which we do not have; gyms and fitness centers. We do have a couple of gyms and fitness centers still operating, and they will receive a visit from an employee of the Oconee County Governing Authority advising them of this order and their duty to cease operations at 6 p.m. today. Bowling alleys, theaters, live entertainment, live performance venues, and operators of music parks, which we do not have. Dining and service at restaurants and private social clubs. These operations were ceased with our emergency order issued on March 26th. Hair designers, body art studios, beauty shops, and salons and barbershops, including home operations, must cease as well at 6 o'clock today. Licensed massage therapists must also cease their operations in compliance with the governor's order. What Oconee County does for the next 21 days will have a huge impact, not just on Oconee County, but the state of Georgia. Please stay at home. Cancel your social events, your birthday parties, your trips to go fishing. Stay at home. Even what's considered essential, I challenge you to cut that in half. If you go to the grocery store twice a week, make it once a week. Follow the CDC guidelines for washing your hands and how you interact with people. 6 feet away unless you live in the same household. The more we limit the spread, the less impact we have on our healthcare system. Pastors, we ask that you go to online services. A lot of the spreads or the outbreaks that have occurred in other counties have been related to funerals and church services. Keep your people at home for the next 2 weeks so that we can flatten the curve in Oconee County and the state of Georgia. For government operations, back on March 18th, we initiated steps that have us in full compliance with what the governor is asking today. So not a lot of changes will occur. We do ask for patience and support of our staff that's working very hard to try to keep the government operating. I know stress levels are high, and concern and uncertainty don't bring out the best in folks. You got to work together to get through this situation. A lot of the deadlines for taxes and renewals have been extended, so continue to work with us online and through the mail will be the best way to keep the government operating. We ask that you make frequent visits to OconeeCounty.com to stay current on activities going on. Also, please sign up for Code Red. When there's a new alert, we'll let you know through Code Red. As I mentioned earlier this week, there's a lot of uncertainty with the next few weeks. So stay focused on protecting your family and your community. Limit your activities outside your home and your interactions with people that you do not currently live with. We do want you to focus on some positive things though. So as you figure out things to do around your home to keep your family occupied and active, we ask that you, when you post it to Facebook or Instagram, that you tag Oconee County. And we may give you a shout out the next time we talk to share what other people are doing to get through this. Remember, Oconee County is strong, and you are Oconee County. We can get through this together, so stay home, Oconee.